So suppose we have a data set. I am taking the example of again you can say something like cyclist trial. So I am taking the example like new cyclist trial equals np dot array. Again I am passing the values. So here in this I am taking the two values, means two list I am passing. One list value is 10, 15, 17, 26, 13, 19. These are the one set of values, and another set of values that we are passing is 12, 11, 21, 24, 14, 23. These are the two set of values that we are passing, means these are the nested array that we are passing. So if we want to print this, just execute this one. So it is executed successfully. Now let me print one new cyclist trial. So these are the value. Now if I want to flatten this data, then we can easily do this by using one method, new cyclist trial dot, I think, yeah, this is the method. Let's see. By using this we are just flattening our the above data set. If I need to change the data, suppose here we have 2 number of rows and 6 number of columns is there in this data set. We have 2 number of rows and 6 number of column is there. Suppose I want to, with the help of this data, I want to change the shape. I want to make 3 number of rows and 4 number of columns. Is it possible? Yeah, it is possible with the help of NumPy library only. So how to do that? New cyclist trial dot, there is a method called as reshape. Yeah, reshape, and in this you can pass the number of rows and number of columns. Let's see. This data is broken into 3 number of rows and 4 number of columns. This data is broken into 3 number of rows and 4 number of columns, like this. You have this one. You have you have 10, 15, 17, 26, 13, 19, 12, 11, 21, 24, 14, 23. You have this data set. Now I already explained you that you can reshape it. So now our target is to reshape into where we have what? 2 number of rows and 6 number of columns. Now I want to reshape it. It means 3 number of rows and 4 number of columns I want to reshape it. So how to reshape? it starts from first and ends here. So 3 number of rows and 4 number of columns. It means 10, 15, 17, 26. Okay, again 13, 19, 12, 11, 24, 21, 24, 14, 23. This way you can see the output. So we can easily reshape it. We can easily perform reshaping. If we want to resize it, okay, then how to do that? New cyclist.
I think resize function will.
Yeah, right. So new cyclist trial dot resize is a function. Again I want to resize it to 2, 6. New cyclist trial. In this way you can resize it. Got it? If I want to split the array into 2, into 2 array, then how to do that? You can perform like this: np dot, I think hs split. Yeah, hs split is a method. Okay, in this you can pass the name of the array, that is new cyclist trial, and I want to make a split into 2, 2. Let's see, we are getting the 2 array. We are getting 2 arrays. So I am creating one another cyclist, new cyclist. Let me take 1 equals, I am passing the value. Let me copy the value from here only. And I hope कि you know the stack concept. I hope. Again I am taking new cyclist 2 equals np dot array. So we have 2 array, cyclist 1 and cyclist 2. If I want to create one stack kind of thing with the help of these 2 array, then how to do that? So for that purpose, one hstack method is there. So you have to perform in this way: np dot h stack method. You have to call this method, and then you need to pass these 2 array, new cyclist 1 comma new cyclist 2. If you run this, text h stack new cyclist 1 new cyclist 2. One second. Yeah, so one common stack is created with the help of, we have 2 array, but we want to create 1 array, means a stack kind of thing. Whatever the value we may have, we have, that needs to be added one by one. In this way.